Hey, today our learning objective is to record your screen using Screencastify Chrome extension. Let's take a look. You're going to search on Google for the Screencastify Screen Video Recorder. Then you're going to add to Chrome. So you're going to click on the blue button right here. Next, your Screencastify will appear on the top as a red arrow just like that. So you're going to click on it to record. If you have a Mac laptop, you're going to click on the puzzle button and find the Screencastify there. All right. Now, in order to record just your piano tab or whatever that you are recording on your browser, you're going to click on the browser tab and make sure that is selected. And then if it's the first time that you're using Screencastify, you're going to click on the blue button here and set up and allow for the Chrome extension to have access to your microphone here. So you will say allow. Then finally, when everything's set up, you're going to click on record. And of course, then press stop once you're done recording. All right, let's see next. Now, if you ever want to record multiple programs like PowerPoint, you're going to draw in Paint, then you're going to go to your virtual piano, then you're going to go back to your PowerPoint on your laptop, then you will record the whole desktop and not just the browser tab. Okay, again, click record. So, once you have stopped the recording, you're going to either copy this shareable link on Seesaw, or what I prefer is that you download this video onto your computer so that you have a recording of it to upload to Seesaw later. So instead of clicking on download, you're going to click on this little arrow here, the drop-down menu. When you do that, you will have 4 options. I will not click download because it's some format that doesn't always work with Seesaw. So I want you to select the second one, export as MP4. Export as MP4. It's going to take 1 second to download and then you can download it onto your laptop. Now you have to find where your downloaded materials usually go. For me, it typically goes to downloads folder. Maybe for you, it's a little bit different. So you'll have to find where it has gone. All right, so your task, friends, is going to be to play the C major scale for Screencastify. So number 1, you're going to add Screencastify Chrome extension. Then you're going to number 2, record yourself playing the C major scale. Please introduce yourself. Hi, my name is Miss Anastasia. I'm going to play the C major scale. Then you're going to play it up and then down and stop the recording. So your recording will be 1 minute or less. Then you will download your video. Step number 4, you're going to upload your video on Seesaw. Make sure you add a caption, C major scale. And finally, once you're finished, you're going to practice your 3 songs, Pitter Patter, Au clair de la lune, and 1 song that you've chosen for yourself for your piano assessment. Okay? Good luck, everybody.